Come. Awesome. Press brake shearing machine, laser cutting machine. You can choose all type of machine here. Here, our booth I will show here. Come, please come. Our booth is 31615. So here you can choose, you can look our press brake. This machine is 6 plus 1 axis. Y1, Y2, X, R. This one is 2. This is according type of VA53 touch, and you can easily control from this screen the Z1 and Z2. This machine is 123.2 meters. So here in our exhibition you can see how our machine is working. You can check our components because our components are original like Schneider, Siemens, Delem, Rexon, Bosch. So welcome to our booth. Welcome in Sharjah.
Parcel. Save time, money.